Hey there, first graders. For math today, we are doing our Chapter 11 test. This is for Thursday, April 16th. We are doing our Chapter 11 test. This is over our three-dimensional shapes. So, parents, please let your children work on this on their own. You can give them guidance as far as how they're supposed to be answering it, but I would really love to see their individual answers to see if they're really truly understanding these questions and these skills, or if they need some extra practice. So, number one, just like yesterday with our review practice test, we are matching each shape to the description of that shape. So it either has only flat surfaces, only curved surfaces, or it has both flat and curved surfaces. So if this sphere has only flat surfaces, you would draw the line to that description. If it only has curved surface, then you're going to draw the line to this description. But if it has both flat and curved, you're going to draw your line here. You'll do the same for the cone, which description, the cylinder, the rectangular prism, and the cube. Feel free to pause this video at any time if I'm going too fast. Pause it, take your time answering the question, and then move on. Number 2. Combine a cube and a rectangular prism. Choose all the new shapes you could make. So choose every picture that uses a cube and a rectangular prism. Number 3, build and repeat. Choose yes or no. Can 2 of these, so if you have a cone and a cube, and you repeat that, so you make this shape and then you make it again, can it look like this? Yes or no? Can 2 of these, a rectangular prism or a cube, the rectangular prism and a cube, if you make 2 of those, would it end up making this shape? Yes or no? Can 2 of these, the same shape you just made, if you did 2 of those, could it make this shape? Yes or no? Then you have number 4. Tara built this shape. So look at this shape, this picture, and you need to choose all the shapes that she had to use to make her new shape. Number 5, circle the number that makes this sentence true. There are 0, 1, or 2 circles on a cylinder. 0, 1, or 2 circles on a cylinder. If you need to find a cylinder in your home and check it out and look at it, how many circles are on that shape? Then we have number 6. Adela wants to trace a square. She finds these objects. Adela wants to trace a square. She has these objects. So if she sits these objects down on the ground and traces them, which object would give her a square? So if she put a cone on the table and traced it, would that make a square? Or would a box make a square? Or would a can make a square? So which object should she use? A hat, a box, or a can? And what would happen if she did use the party hat to trace a shape? So explain to me what would happen and maybe show me a picture of what you think she would trace. Number 7. Which shape has only a curved surface? So you're choosing one. Which of these shapes only has a curved surface? Number 1 should help you with that because you should have drawn a line from a shape to that only has a curved surface. So which shape is that only has a curved surface? Number 8, look at this shape. How many cylinders are used to make this shape? Write that number on the line. Number 9. Jose built this shape. Which objects did he use? So circle all the objects that he had to use to build this shape. Circle all the objects. Then draw another way he could combine those shapes or those objects. Draw another way to combine them. And finally, number 10, Velma built this shape. Choose all the shapes Velma used. So choose all the shapes she used to build this. Let me know if you all have any other questions about this test, parents. I will post the answer key on Class Dojo. Good luck. Do your best.